Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Order of operations in Java can be tricky, but we will solve this code segment together in just a few quick and easy steps. First, we calculate variable a by multiplying 2 and 3 to get 6, then adding 3 for a total of 9. Remember that multiplication always comes before addition in Java. Next, for variable b, we divide 3 by 2 using integer division, which equals 1. Adding 4 gives us 5. Then 7 modulo 4 is 3, so variable c equals 6. Finally, add 9, 5, and 6 to get 20. Since d is a double, the result is 20.0. Option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps for success.